Hello and welcome to eNow. I am Shreya Srivastav and this is your one-stop ultimate destination for all things entertainment. And today we have everything from a stunning house to a gritty teaser and a glamorous outing making waves. Let's get started. Now starting off with one of the most anticipated films of 2026, Daira, is set to release in theatres on 18th September this year. The film stars Kareena Kapoor Khan and Malayalam superstar Prithviraj Sukumaran and is directed by acclaimed filmmaker Meghna Gulzar, known for critically and commercially successful films such as Razi and Talwar. Now, Daira is jointly produced by Junglee Pictures and Pen Studios. The makers have announced the release date using a video which features gripping, raw and previously unseen behind-the-scenes footage from the film, further heightening audience anticipation and raising expectations for its release. The film marks the first ever on-screen collaboration between Kareena Kapoor Khan and Prithviraj Sukumaran, a pairing that has already generated significant buzz among moviegoers. Kareena described the project as one for the books while sharing unseen footage from the sets, hinting at the intense and realistic tone of the film. Adding to the excitement, reports suggest Daira will be a song-less thriller, staying true to its realistic narrative style. With just 3 months to go before release, expectations are high that Meghna Gulzar can deliver yet again a powerful drama in the league of Razi and Talwar. And now to an interesting development including actor Ranveer Singh. Now he is reportedly taking a different approach when it comes to media interactions. According to reports, Ranveer has chosen to keep a low profile and is currently avoiding extensive media interviews and public appearances linked to his professional commitments. Industry observers believe the move is part of a larger strategy to let his work speak for itself while maintaining an element of mystery around his upcoming releases. The actor has remained active on social media but has largely stayed away from any kind of promotional interviews and candid media interactions fans have traditionally always associated him with. The decision has sparked discussion online, with some fans appreciating the quieter approach, while others say they miss the energetic and outspoken Ranveer they've seen during previous film productions. Now, whether it is a temporary strategy or a long-term shift remains to be seen. But for now, Ranveer Singh appears focused on keeping the spotlight firmly on his projects rather than on himself.
Ranveer Singh and Dawn 3 continue to dominate entertainment headlines, and a fresh report has now added a new twist to the ongoing buzz surrounding the much-awaited film. The Dhurandhar actor has once again found himself at the center of discussions after a report claimed that he plans to stay away from interviews for the next 18 months. The surprising development has sparked curiosity among fans, especially amid ongoing speculation about his association with Dawn 3. According to a report by Free Press Journal, Ranveer Singh has decided not to publicly address the controversy linked to Dawn 3. The report cited a trade journalist who allegedly met the actor recently and shared an interesting claim. The journalist reportedly said, "I met him personally, and he told me he will not speak on the Dawn 3 controversy, nor will he give any interviews for at least 18 months." If true, this would mean Ranveer may stay away from media interactions for a considerable period, choosing to maintain silence despite the growing discussions around the project. The report further claimed that the actor has put all interview requests on hold and is unlikely to interact with the media anytime soon. Some reports even suggest that Ranveer could remain absent from interviews until the release of filmmaker Jay Mehta's upcoming project, Pralay. Adding another layer to the story, the publication reported that communication between Ranveer Singh and Dawn 3 producers Farhan Attar and Ritesh Sidhwani has allegedly remained limited amid the uncertainty surrounding the film. However, it is important to note that none of these claims have been officially confirmed by Ranveer Singh, Farhan Attar, Ritesh Sidhwani, or the makers of Dawn 3. Interestingly, the report also mentioned that some industry insiders believe filmmaker Zoya Attar could play a key role in resolving the situation. Given her long-standing professional relationship with both Ranveer Singh and the Dawn 3 team, many feel she could help smooth things over if required. So how did this controversy begin? Reports suggest that the situation escalated after Ranveer Singh reportedly exited Dawn 3. Industry chatter pointed towards creative differences, production delays, script-related concerns, and disagreements over the direction of the project as possible reasons behind the fallout. The matter gained even more attention when reports claimed that Excel Entertainment suffered losses of nearly 45 crore rupees following the actor's reported departure from the film. Adding to the controversy, FOIS had briefly issued a non-cooperation directive against Ranveer Singh. However, the directive was later withdrawn after discussions between the concerned parties. At this point, the future of Dawn 3 remains one of the biggest talking points in Bollywood. While reports continue to fuel speculation, fans are still waiting for an official statement from Ranveer Singh or the makers. Until then, all eyes remain on Dawn 3 and whether Ranveer Singh will finally break his silence.
Now, Hrithik Roshan is making headlines not for a film but for a stunning new home that's turning heads online. The actor recently gave fans a glimpse inside his luxurious residence, which has everybody talking about because of its striking Santorini-inspired aesthetic. Featuring crisp white interiors, earthy textures, elegant arches, abundant natural light, and breathtaking sea-facing views, the home captures the relaxed Mediterranean charm of Santorini. Blending minimalism with luxury, the design reflects Hrithik's preference for understated elegance while creating a calm and sophisticated living space. Now, social media users have compared the residence to a luxury Santorini villa, praising its serene vibe and timeless architecture. From spacious outdoor decks to thoughtfully curated decor, every corner appears designed to combine comfort, style, and tranquility. As the pictures continue to go viral, fans are calling it one of the most beautiful celebrity homes in the country, proving once again that when it comes to lifestyle and design, Hrithik Roshan knows how to make a statement. Take a look.
When Bollywood's very own Greek god, Hrithik Roshan, decided to buy a home, he didn't settle for anything ordinary. The superstar lives in a stunning sea-facing sky villa in Mumbai, and the property is every bit as luxurious as you would imagine. Hrithik's lavish residence offers breathtaking views of the Arabian Sea and comes with a staggering price tag of nearly 100 crore rupees. The actor finalized the deal in October 2020 and purchased not one, but two apartments that were later merged into a massive sky villa. Together, the property spans an incredible 38,000 square feet, along with a huge 6,500 square foot terrace. The duplex spread across the 15th and 16th floors reportedly cost 67.5 crore rupees, while the apartment on the 14th floor was purchased for 30 crore rupees. The family also enjoys access to 10 dedicated parking spots. What makes this home truly special is its location and design. Spread across 3 floors, the Sky Villa offers a spectacular 180-degree view of the Arabian Sea, making it one of Mumbai's most sought-after addresses. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice the home's calming color palette inspired by the ocean. Shades of blue, white and brown dominate the interiors, creating a peaceful and elegant atmosphere. The living room features a stylish beige couch, large decorative mirrors and floor-to-ceiling glass walls that provide uninterrupted sea views. The overall design follows a beautiful Santorini-inspired blue and white theme that perfectly complements the ocean outside. One of the most interesting parts of the home is the entertainment den. It includes a foosball table, a billiards table and even a chocolate dispensing vending machine that has become a favorite with Hrithik's sons, Rehan and Hridan. Right next to it is a cozy family corner with floor-level seating. A playful wall message reads, "If you're looking for a sign, this is it." This area doubles as both a workout zone and a relaxing space where the family can enjoy stunning views of the sea. The dining area stands out with bold decor choices. And Shraza oil painting overlooks an elegant Roche Bobois glass dining table, creating a perfect mix of luxury and art. The children's bedroom is bright and colorful, featuring playful furniture, a football-shaped rug and a world map wall complete with a cheerful yellow ladder. Another heart-warming feature is Hrithik's breakfast corner, which he shares with his mother. Decorated with plants and an oval mirror reflecting the skyline, the space offers a peaceful escape from Mumbai's fast-paced life. The home also includes a private office, a gaming lounge, and a fully equipped gymnasium. From luxurious interiors to breathtaking sea views, Hrithik Roshan's ₹100 crore Sky Villa is truly a dream home that perfectly reflects the superstar's larger-than-life lifestyle.
And now to a personal update from Kusha Kapila that's got fans talking. Nearly 2 years after announcing her separation from Zorawar Singh Ahluwalia, the content creator and actress has revealed that she is no longer single. During a recent interaction, Kusha confirmed that she is dating someone, though she chose not to reveal the identity of her partner. The actress shared that she is in a happy space personally and is enjoying this new phase of her life, while keeping the relationship away from the public eye for now. Ever since her divorce announcement in 2023, Kusha's personal life has often been the subject of speculation, with several rumors linking her to different personalities from the entertainment industry. However, this marks the first time she has openly acknowledged being in a relationship. While fans are naturally curious to know who the mystery man is, Kusha appears determined to keep the focus on her happiness rather than on names and labels. And judging by her latest comments, she's embracing the new chapter with confidence and positivity. Take a look.
Is Kusha Kapila dating again? A recent appearance on a talk show has sparked fresh speculation about the actor and social media star's relationship status, and fans are eager to know more. Kusha Kapila recently appeared on the talk show alongside stand-up comedian Gulleen Pannu. The episode was hosted by Neha Dhupia and Angad Bedi and featured candid conversations about relationships, friendships, and life in the entertainment industry. However, it was one particular comment during the episode that grabbed everyone's attention and quickly set social media buzzing. As the discussion turned to relationships and chemistry between couples, Gurleen jokingly referred to herself as the only single person present in the room. She said, as the single person representation on this panel, the remark may have been casual, but it was enough to send fans into detective mode. Many viewers immediately began wondering whether Gurleen's statement indirectly revealed that Kusha is no longer single. Interestingly, neither Kusha nor Gurleen reacted to the comment or offered any clarification during the episode. The conversation moved on, but the speculation among fans continued long after the show ended. Many social media users began discussing whether Kusha might be in a relationship. Since there has been no official statement from her, the rumors remain purely speculative at this point. The discussion on the show wasn't entirely focused on romance. Kusha and Gurleen also spoke about the importance of women supporting one another in the entertainment industry. The two shared their experiences and discussed the challenges women often face while building careers in the spotlight. The episode also featured light-hearted banter with hosts Neha Dhupia and Angad Bedi, making it an entertaining mix of humor, friendship, and honest conversations. The latest dating buzz comes nearly 3 years after Kusha announced her separation from husband Zorawar Singh Ahluwalia. And since then, Kusha has largely kept her personal life away from the public eye. Over the past few years, she has occasionally been linked to different names in online rumors. However, she has never confirmed any of those reports and has remained private about her dating life. That is why this latest comment from Gurleen has caught so much attention among fans. Whether it was simply a joke or an accidental hint about Kusha's relationship status remains unclear. For now, there has been no confirmation from Kusha herself. On the professional front, Kusha continues to stay busy with acting projects. She has appeared in shows and films such as Ghost Stories, Thank You for Coming, Sukhi, Ishq Vishk Rebound, and Life Hil Gayi.
Next up, actress Sara Ali Khan is serving royal-style goals from England after attending the prestigious Royal Ascot, one of the world's most famous horse racing events. Representing Longines, Sara posed alongside Henry Cavill, creating a Bollywood-cum-Hollywood crossover moment that quickly went viral. Held annually in Berkshire, Royal Ascot is a 5-day horse racing extravaganza with a history spanning over 300 years and is closely associated with the British royal family. Regular attendees include King Charles III, Queen Camilla, Prince William, and Catherine, Princess of Wales, making it one of the most glamorous events on the global social calendar. Dressed in a classic ivory race day ensemble, Sarah embraced the event's traditions. While the races remain the main attraction, her stylish outing and surprise moment with Henry Cavill stole the spotlight and became a major talking point among Indian fans.
Sara Ali Khan is once again making headlines, and this time it's for a royal appearance that has left fans talking. The actress recently attended the prestigious Royal Ascot event in England and shared stunning pictures from the occasion on social media. But among all the elegant photos, one picture grabbed everyone's attention: Sara posing alongside Hollywood star Henry Cavill. The unexpected Bollywood-Hollywood crossover quickly went viral, with fans calling it a meeting of the Pataudi Princess and Superman. Sara attended the iconic horse racing event as a guest of luxury watch brand Longines. Sharing glimpses from the grand occasion, she captioned her post, "A royal affair with at Longines." For the event, Sara looked graceful in an ivory skirt suit paired with a delicate fascinator. She completed her look with a matching clasp purse, perfectly following the traditional Royal Ascot dress code. Her sophisticated style won hearts online, with fans praising her elegant fashion choice. However, it was her picture with Henry Cavill that became the biggest talking point. Social media users flooded the comments section with excitement as they reacted to the rare photograph of the two stars together. The annual event, held in Berkshire, England, also saw the presence of several members of the British royal family, including King Charles III, Queen Camilla, Prince William, and Princess Catherine. Interestingly, while Sara was attending one of Britain's most glamorous social events, her father Saif Ali Khan was also making headlines in England for a very special reason. Saif attended a ceremony at Winchester College where a commemorative plaque was unveiled in honor of his father, the legendary Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi, fondly known as Tiger Pataudi. The plaque was installed at the college's historic cricket pavilion, Hunter Tent. Speaking at the event, Saif paid tribute to his father's legacy. He said, "As a former pupil of Winchester College myself, it's a great privilege to return here today to honor my father's legacy. Winchester was where my father's cricketing journey truly began. It was a place he spoke of with great affection, not only for the sport but for the friendships, values and experiences that shaped him." He further added, "Our family is immensely proud and grateful that Winchester College has chosen to honor him in this way. We hope this plaque will inspire future generations of pupils, just as Winchester inspired him." Winchester College warden Sir Richard Stagg also praised Tiger Pataudi, saying, "Tiger Pataudi remains one of the most distinguished figures in the history of cricket and a source of immense pride to Winchester College. He was a cricketing prodigy at the school, beating a record for runs scored in a season set by Douglas Jardine in 1919. He went on to become a great cricketer and a leader of Indian cricket." From Sara's royal moment with Henry Cavill to Saif honoring Tiger Pataudi's legacy, the Pataudi family certainly made a memorable mark in England.
And that's all for today. Keep watching eNow Monday to Friday at 2:30 p.m. only on Times Now for a wrap on all the hype worth your time. Until next time, I am Shreya Srivastava. Thanks and goodbye.